Welcome to the global headquarters of SAN. During the next 5 minutes, I will take you on a private tour of our custom manufacturing facility called Supreme Formulations. Inside the state-of-the-art facility is the heart of every SAN product. Come with me on a journey to discover how quality supplements are made.
Everything SAN does, from scientific research in its laboratories to product manufacturing to final end products. Every stage of development meets the same standards of excellence in order to fulfill their mission of delivering exceptional nutritional supplements.
Hi, welcome to SAN. Let me walk you through our facility.
The process at SAN starts with formulas that consist of the highest quality ingredients with scientifically based research conducted by a team of professionals. Raw material suppliers must undergo extensive and ongoing safety and quality inspections to ensure their own compliance within the international standards of quality. All the raw materials SAN receives comes with certificates of analysis or certificates of conformity, which is the first step in quality control. These documents represent the supplier's declaration as to the potency and purity of an ingredient. The SAN owned and operated trucks pick up approximately 75% of SAN's raw materials. This ensures that the contents are not being transported by a common carrier. Before unloading any material off the truck, they're inspected with an ultraviolet light to ensure that no raw material has been compromised in any way. To ensure freshness, packing slips as well as bills of lading are stamped with the date of arrival. Certificates of analysis, lot numbers, and purchase orders are all inspected and entered into the SAN inventory system. Materials are then moved into the quarantine area under the jurisdiction of quality control. Once quality control releases raw materials, they are cataloged again in inventory until ready for production. Quality control professionals use state-of-the-art near-infrared spectroscopy, or NIR, to properly identify raw materials. Then, samples of every raw material are delivered to a third-party laboratory, micro-quality labs, for independent analysis to ensure that only the highest quality ingredients are used in SAN products. The third-party laboratory is a very important component of SAN's quality control program, which is modeled after good manufacturing practices required in the pharmaceutical industry.
At Microquality Labs, we work with manufacturers that submit product for microbiological, analytical, and potency testing. It's beneficial for consumers that the manufacturer submits product for testing, as it ensures the product is safe for consumer use and meets GLP requirements. Specifically for SAN Corporation, our courier service picks up samples and delivers it to our receiving department. There, the product is processed to two different departments, microbiological and analytical. For micro department, we test to make sure the product is safe for consumer use. For analytical department, we test to make sure the product meets the potency of the label claim. Depending on the matrix of the ingredients, different instrumentations will be used. HPLC, high pressure liquid chromatography, GC, gas chromatography, ICP-MS, GC triple quad, depending on the type of ingredient we are trying to determine the potency of. Also, SAN Corporation participates in shelf life studies to determine the long-term use of the product. So all this testing guarantees that SAN Corporation provides quality products for their consumer.
After SAN's quality control department and third-party lab clears the ingredients for use, it's then released from the quarantine area and cleared for production. Materials are then cataloged in inventory until ready for weighing. Manufacturing employees weigh the nutrients carefully to achieve a precise blend and exact ratio of individual ingredients for the most effective SAN proprietary formulas. After the ingredients are weighed and prepared, they're carefully sifted and screened. Any clumps in the raw material are broken up for optimal blending. SAN utilizes the most sophisticated blending technology available for sports nutrition formulas. That includes large double-spiral stainless steel ribbon blenders for proteins and gainers, as well as two custom V-blenders for precision mixing of smaller particle ingredients that are incorporated into the tablet and capsule formulas. SAN's blenders mix protein powders into a uniform blend. Dispensing comes after blending. Everything is automatically dispensed according to specific volumes and weights. Checks are made on the weights of powders and micro-scale counts of ingredients for capsules and tablets. Every nutrient must meet or exceed label claims before being released to the next step of the manufacturing process. When the cycle is complete, the blend is ready for capsules, tablets, or bottling of powdered products such as protein and BCAAs. Containers of the blend are loaded and fed into the press. Tablet punches run at over 10,000 pounds per square inch of pressure to form the perfect sand tablet. Quality control continuously monitors the tablets for consistency, accuracy of weight, shape, and conformity. Fresh samples are measured for proper weight, thickness, and hardness to ensure they dissolve properly in the body for maximum absorption of vital nutrients. After the testing process is complete, it's time for packaging. A skilled operator places bottles onto the line and in proper position for filling. Each tablet or capsule is automatically counted or powder measured to ensure a proper fill. Each bottle passes through a metal detector and is checked again for weight. After these checks, bottles are capped. Cap seals are then fused to the bottle. Sensors check the tamper preventative seal to ensure the bottle is completely closed for freshness and safety. A bottle is rejected if it fails any check on the line. A special high-speed automatic label machine applies the sand label. Lot numbers are then imprinted to distinguish sand products from the competition and also for tracking purposes. Next, bottles are bundled and prepped to be bulk packaged. Sand's website offers a variety of packages that allow the customer to choose the products that fit their individual needs according to their sport, activity level, or nutritional goals. Every individual at Sand, from the line worker to the chief executive, is committed to providing you the very best nutritional supplements the market has to offer.
I hope you enjoyed the tour. I'm certain that you witnessed firsthand the level of care that went into producing a SAN-approved supplement. I encourage you to learn more about SAN. We're built on a solid foundation of quality, innovation, and value. Thanks for watching.
When you're on a mission, you need nutrition that satisfies and delivers all-day energy and focus. rawplantprotein.com When there are no spotlights and no cheers, your toughest competition is still there. When it's just you versus you, sheer determination and will are what set you apart. When it's just you versus the weights, you find the raw strength to move mountains. When it's you versus yesterday's limits, you dig for everlasting power to push you farther. When it's you versus exhaustion, you demand that one last rep. And when you think you're done, you do it all again. It's time to decide. What are you all about?